welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Tuesday the 20th of September 2016 and we're looking at a report published by CNBC. Yes, CNBC have published the following headline. Quote, if markets price in Donald Trump beating Hillary Clinton, Citi says buy gold, sell stocks and bonds. Citigroup has offered hedging tips if markets begin to price in the possibility of Republican candidate Donald Trump winning the election. Polls are showing the US presidential contest tightening, reducing its probability of a win for Democratic candidate Hillary Clinton to 60% from 65%, with a 40% probability of a Trump win. But if markets begin to price in an 85% probability of a Trump win, then there were several hedging plays to adopt, according to Citi Group. For one, the bank expected plenty of US dollar strength, particularly against emerging market currencies. It also expected yields on 10-year and 30-year US Treasuries to rise, with yield curves set to steepen, as bond yields move inversely to prices. Citi predicted the US credit spreads, or the yield difference between US Treasuries and corporate bonds, would widen amid concerns about headwinds to global trade from Trump's protectionist policies and from the risk of a recession. Along with that, Citi expected global equities would fall for the same reason. It added emerging market equities would also take a hit from the stronger US dollar. That would mean both equities and bonds would weaken together. Finally, Citi expected that gold would rise, possibly as high as $1,400 an ounce from the current level of $1,315, as investors run to safety. So far, markets weren't pricing in much chance of a Trump win, Citi said. Quote, markets are only partially pricing in a Trump victory, the clearest expression being the sharp rally in US dollar against the Mexican peso. Bond yields have been rising, initially on growth surprises and latterly on Bank of Japan and European Central Bank tapering concerns, i.e. not so much Trump, unquote. So in conclusion, it predicts lower stock prices, a stronger dollar, weaker bond prices and higher gold prices, should Trump win. Not that different to our video published on the 17th of August 2016. Could it be that Citigroup are listening to Illuminati Silver? We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati Silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.